The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is one of the latest entries in Samsung's foldable smartphone lineup, delivering a premium experience with several improvements over its predecessor, the Z Fold 4. Here's a breakdown of the key aspects of the device. Design and build quality. Hinge design. Samsung has refined the hinge mechanism in the Z Fold 5, making it more durable and with a slimmer profile. It folds completely flat now, eliminating the small gap present in previous models. Weight and dimensions. It's slightly lighter than the Z Fold 4, weighing around 253 grams, and feels more comfortable to hold. Despite being a large phone, it's slimmer when folded. Materials. The Z Fold 5 uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the cover screen and rear, while the frame is made of armor aluminum, adding to its durability. Performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset, making it one of the fastest foldables on the market. It handles multitasking, gaming, and productivity with ease. RAM and storage. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, though there's no micro SD card slot for expansion. Software. The phone runs on One UI 5.1 based on Android 13, optimized for foldable devices. The multitasking features, such as split screen and app continuity between the cover and main display, work seamlessly. Performance. The camera quality is excellent, particularly in daylight. While it doesn't quite match the S23 Ultra in low-light photography, it holds its own, offering solid performance in most situations. Front cameras. There's a 4-megapixel under-display camera on the main screen and a 10-megapixel cover camera. The under-display camera is discreet but still lags behind in image quality compared to regular selfie cameras. Battery life and charging. Battery. The 4400 mAh battery offers decent endurance, with the device lasting about a full day on moderate usage. However, heavy multitasking and use of the main display can drain the battery faster. Charging. It supports 25 watts wired charging, 15 watts wireless charging, and 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging. Charging speeds are decent but not the fastest in the market. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 pros and cons. Pros: improved hinge design, folds completely flat, more durable. Lightweight and slim design, comfortable to hold despite its large size. Multitasking features, split screen and app continuity work seamlessly. Cons: high price, one of the most expensive smartphones available. No micro SD card slot, limited storage expansion options. Price: the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 starts at around $1,799, making it one of the most expensive smartphones available. It's targeted at users who prioritize cutting-edge technology, multitasking, and productivity features. Verdict: the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a refinement of the foldable concept, with improvements in durability, hinge design, and performance. It's ideal for users who want a device that can serve as both a phone and a tablet with excellent multitasking capabilities. However, its high price and lack of dust resistance are potential drawbacks.